I turned my car into a camper, but does it actually work? Today is the day to try it out. Hello, my name is Ruben. I'm a creator that makes camera-related content. I turned my car into a camper to create on the go. I'm super excited because today is the first day I'm testing the new setup and finding out what's missing. If you want to know how to make this DIY box, I'll put a link in the description to that video. Please flood the comments with stuff I need to add and subscribe to follow my journey. Time to load the car. The middle closet fits 4 click boxes, which makes it ideal for any adventure. With everything packed, it's time to hit the road. Of course, I also want to try the fancy cooking drawer, so let's buy some groceries. Yum 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 yum. Once I arrive at the campground, it's time to set up my bed. First I need to put the seats down, set up the base and add the bedboard. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Throw the inflatable mattress on it and it's ready. It's time to darken the inside of the car with these removable blinds. It's the first time using them, but luckily it's really convenient. So convenient, these blinds are so convenient. Yeah, so convenient, these blinds are so convenient. Before calling it a night, let's make this place feel a little more like home. I'm so stupid, I forgot to bring a blanket and a pillow. With my gear somewhat organized, it is time to start cooking. Whoa, 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 yo, hello, good looking. I love to watch you cooking. Oh, hello, good looking. I love to watch you cooking. It looks like the stove is a big fan of Alicia Keys because this grill is on fire. And to all my Italian viewers, please forgive me. Time to eat. The stove got super dirty, but luckily it's easy to take out and clean. And other than the weird flame, the cooking drawer did its job perfectly. The owners were so kind to bring me a blanket and a pillow. I really love this place. Thank you very much. Time to go asleep. This spot is perfect for my nightlight.
Oh, my gear over here. How good is this?
Good night. Good morning.
I slept amazing. Love it.
The mattress is really good. I'm so glad I went for this type instead of a more compact one. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Watch me eat breakfast. Coffee and a drone shot. And a drone shot, drone shot. Drone shot, drone shot, drone shot. Yeah, break it down. The last part of the bed is collapsible, so I don't have to tear down the whole setup just to put the driver's seat back and use the car. I can honestly say that this setup is perfect for me. Can't wait to start building it out and use it on loads of adventures. I might be looking for stuff like a big battery, mosquito nets and something to store drinkable water. If you got any tips, please let me know in the comments. And this is just the beginning. Subscribe to see where this camper takes me next.